Hey, you guys. You guys is for Northerners. There's nothing wrong with Northerners, but we're Southerners down here in my house. So I say, hey, y'all. And y'all can be watching from wherever you want. I don't care. Okay. I gotta do a haul because I always let y'all see stuff first. First of all, these earrings I got to match with this shirt, but they're so tiny, y'all. Look at those. They're little like burgundy beads and the little, I think it's from Silver Forest. I get it at my birdseed shop. But it kind of matches, I don't know if you can tell, matches the burgundy in this shirt. Anyway, I'm just going to keep going. All right, y'all, I keep licking my lips. I need to put on some lip gloss. What do we have? I'm just going to put on my Marc Jacobs. It's clear, it's rich, and it will do the job. Okay. That seems good to me. It does. Here's the test. Can I do this without a mirror? It's funny I'm putting on lip gloss, but it will absorb. Because I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm really tired, but I thought I've got to do this video. I'm still uploading, y'all. I have had issues on my other channel with Pure Bible of getting the videos to upload. So I don't know how long it'll take me to do this either. But I got some new phone cases. And okay. Y'all, it's like I can't do anything with my little hands anymore. It's a little bit unnerving. Okay. This is what the box looks like. It's really cute. It says Casetify. What did I say? I don't even know what I said. But anyway, you're supposed to just be able to pull this little thing. It's just, the little tab pull. But the problem is even getting my finger underneath it. There we go. So I just use scissors to do that. So let me show you. The one that I originally got is this one, which I adore. And it looks like Little Brie. That's what it reminds me of. It looks more like Brie than Velvet. But it's a little doggy on an exercise mat in front of a fan just taking a nap instead of exercising. I think it's funny. Okay. Alright, here we go. It didn't open it. There it goes. Alright. And it always thanks you on the inside of the box. It's a cute little box. And here is the first one. And it has a marbleized top. Hold on, let me get this off because you have to cut it off. And it also has my name on it. So if I lose it, somebody give it back. And you just peel this off, and there it is. It says Beth Buchanan, John 3:17. So I'm hoping it made whoever made that go and look at it. And for those of you who don't know what it says, find you a Bible. You can even use one online, the Bible app online, and look up John 3:17. People always talk about John 3:16. Very important to talk about John 3:17. So I love that. I love that it's white marble. I think it's really cute. Okay, what's the next one? I'm just going to keep kicking through this so the videos aren't too long, y'all. Okay, there's the little pull tab. Okay. Here's the next one. Let's see what it is. Especially to use for my my green mulberry. Now it's a different shade of green, but it's just the idea of it. It also would look good in one of my monogram Louis Vuittons because it's that beautiful kind of brownish green, and it's got brown. It's a little library shelves with little plants growing out of the books. Isn't that cute? I like it. And then it's green on the side, matte green. So I like that one. And some people are like, Beth, why do you have so many phone cases? Why do I have so many handbags? I change it out with outfits. I did. Or mood. Okay. Had to have something pink, y'all. Oh, that's not as expected at all. Okay, I thought this was real glitter. It's a picture of glitter. That's lame as can be. Very disappointed in that. These are not cheap either. I wonder if I'm going to return that one. You can't probably even tell the difference. I like the clear pink on the sides. And I like that it's pink, but it's not real glitter. It's a picture of glitter. Who does that? Now I cut the tag off. That was dumb. Once you cut these tags off, y'all, I don't think you're allowed to return things. But I am going to ask them because I'm very unimpressed with that one. Like, big time. They lead you to believe that that is a, that's real glitter. So I'm just very confused by this. I have to glue the stinking tag back together. I can't. That's such a silly thing. Because I know they're trying to make sure you don't use it, but you can tell if something's had wear on it. Anyway, I may end up having to keep that. You know? Okay, what's the next one? Oh, that was it. Okay, so the two that I really do like is obviously the little doggy one that I have. And I do like this green one with the little bookcase. And I like this black and white with the marbleization. My name. And John 3:17. I really like that, except for that's just so obviously fake that I don't really like it. But if they tell me I'm sorry if you cut that thing, then you can't return it, then I guess I'm stuck with it. Okay, let's see what else do I have. Today, when I made a purchase, I did a return, and then I ended up liking some stuff, so I ended up doing a purchase. And it caused me to be able to get... I have a lot of points that have built up, so I just used 100 of them and got the Detox Shampoo by OI. I thought it was Quay, but it's not a Q, it's an O, so it's OI, or Way. But it's a detox shampoo. It helps get all the gunk, because you know when you use a lot of hairspray and stuff, and then you get your own natural oils and dirts in there with it, it really starts caking up, and it can clog your pores and make you lose hair. I also purchased this Clean Reserve, is the name of this fragrance, and it's called Aqua Neroli, and this is the travel spray size, because I wanted to try it for a while before I invest in a full box. But y'all, this smells so good. Is this the roller or spray? I think it's spray. Yeah, just do a little one. It is so neroli, y'all. I love it. Neroli just smells like orange blossoms and tanning lotion. It just very it's very what's the word I'm trying to say? I'm tired, y'all. Vacationy, beachy. Okay, I also got this Kilns Super Multi-Corrective Eye-Zone Treatment. Went ahead and the girl recommended this for eyes. We got to talking about what I need for my skincare and eyes, and she seemed like a pretty trustworthy young lady who seemed to really care about what she does there and about skincare. And so she told me to try this Glow Recipe Serum. This is Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, so it helps me hopefully get rid of these dark spots. And this is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And this is just, it's, you know, to help plump the skin and to give glow. So both of these are supposed to help you look more glowy. Skincare. And then you're supposed to keep these kind of things away from your eyes, so you have to have an eye treatment. That's why people encourage you to get both regular skincare and then eye treatment. It's because the skin under your eye is delicate, and most importantly, it wicks whatever is on it into the eye. So if you put it under here, and especially if you put it here, people forget to put skincare here. It has to be skincare that can be around the eyes. So that's important. And then I also have been wanting to try this, and wanting to try this, and wanting to try this. And I forgot that my local Sephora does carry it, and it's the Alaya Super Serum Skin Tint 40. So this would be very important, very important if I'm using that vitamin C. And if you use retinol or anything, you always should have on sunscreen when you go out, because it's unprotected when you put that stuff on. It makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. So not only does your dark spots or brown spots or whatever not go away, it gets worse. So it's very important to have skin skin tint on that has SPF, or if you've got foundation, SPF of at least a 30, and that's a 40. And I also have one that's a 50. And this is just a, what was this? Oh, this was a cream blush, and it has shea butter, orange peel wax, and avocado oil. So it's also really good for your skin, and I really fell in love with the color for me. Cute little, this is like, seems to be the packaging for everything lately. Everything I've seen is in these tones. I think Kim Kardashian is the one that made it famous. But I feel like that is going to be a good color for me. And then you also could use it on your lips. And in your crease and lower brow area, the poochy area, to kind of bring it all together and make it look like you've got sun. That's a little bit on the bridge of your nose. So I'll do a tutorial with that, but I really like that. And like I said, this is over this. So it's supposed to be a very glowy look. The one thing they didn't have that I've been wanting is their dusting powder. By the way, the back of my hair, there's no telling what it looks like. They were out of that. So I wasn't too happy about that, but they were out of it. And so, oh, these, I forgot I had 400 points, and these are 100 points a piece. So I got, I've been wanting to try this detox shampoo, because I know once a week I need to be detoxing my hair. Because I put a lot of hairspray in, because it's kind of fun. And so I build it a lot with that. So, alright, and what was the other thing? Oh, this palette, this eye palette. I never actually had this. This is Naked 3, and I think I got rid of it. I think I gave it to somebody. I had the original Naked, then Naked 2, which I liked better for my eyes. And then this Naked 3 came out, and I thought, I don't really like it with all of the pink tones and all that. But that actually is really pretty on green eyes. So I did get this small version. It's called the Mini. And it's got these beautiful kind of rosy tones. Even the crease color is more rosy, especially that. So I'll do a tutorial on all this stuff. Hope you enjoyed my late night haul. Please go over and visit our Bible study at Pure Bible.